There are moments in science when a single observation forces us to rethink everything we thought we knew. A subtle anomaly, a pattern so strange it doesn't merely challenge theories. It demands we reconsider the very framework of understanding. That moment has arrived. NASA's latest composite images of the interstellar object dubbed Tria Atlas reveal phenomena so improbable that many of the world's leading astronomers are struggling to explain them. What was first catalogued as a hyperbolic visitor from beyond the solar system, an unusual comet, has shown behaviors that defy known physics. Its tail pointed toward the sun instead of away. Dust and particles moved contrary to expectations. At first, scientists suspected calibration errors, until spectroscopic scans confirmed it. The object's material composition did not match any known cometary chemistry. Familiar gases and volatiles were missing, appearing only gradually and inconsistently. It was as if Tria Atlas was hiding its nature, revealing itself slowly, almost deliberately. As it passed through the inner solar system, its trajectory stunned experts. Near misses with Mars, Venus, and Earth were so precise that simulations showed the odds of a natural object aligning in this way were astronomically low. The object's size, potentially several times larger than previous interstellar visitors, made the precision even more baffling. It was no random wanderer, it behaved as though guided by intent. The surprises didn't end with its orbit. When advanced AI systems analyzed images and light curves, a persistent, rhythmic signal emerged. This pulse did not match known rotational periods or orbital resonances. It was steady, precise, and independent of environmental factors, a heartbeat hidden in light. The AI determined with high confidence that it was real, not noise. Small deviations in motion added to the mystery. Tria Atlas moved in ways gravity and sunlight alone could not explain. Outgassing, the typical force behind cometary anomalies, was insufficient. Scientists proposed unconventional explanations: ultra-thin reflective surfaces, exotic ices, or fragments from a disrupted parent body. Yet none fully accounted for the data. Some force, natural or otherwise, appeared to influence the object. Reports leaked from observatories hinted at even stranger features. The innermost region reflected light in a repeating geometric pattern, resembling engineered structures such as photonic crystals. If accurate, the nucleus was not merely unusual in shape, it appeared intentionally structured. Policies previously reserved for non-natural phenomena, once theoretical, were quietly enacted to study the object. Researchers began to consider an unsettling possibility: Tria Atlas was not a simple cosmic rock. Its tail exhibited repeating intervals in particle density, suggesting data encoding. Some analyses mapped dust patterns to recursive mathematical structures, hinting the object might be a carrier of information. The comet could represent an interstellar archive, a vessel transporting encoded knowledge across light years. Historical records added to the intrigue. Ancient civilizations, from Sumerian to Mayan, describe celestial objects with dual tails or unusual properties. Correlations between these accounts and the orbital paths of Tria Atlas suggested the possibility of recurring visits every few thousand years, moments coinciding with societal upheavals. Some researchers speculated these objects could mark pivotal events, not metaphorically but observationally, recording or influencing life on Earth. The most recent data implied the object might not leave permanently. After passing Earth, subtle changes in trajectory suggested a slow return in a few centuries. Tria Atlas might be part of a repeating cycle, not a one-time visitor. Further observations of the dust left behind revealed something astonishing. Fragments contained amino acid chains matching Earth-based RNA structures. Though incomplete, the chemical signatures mirrored the chirality and molecular orientation found in terrestrial life. This hinted at a possible connection between interstellar visitors and the origins of life on Earth. In sum, Tria Atlas challenges everything we know. Its geometry, rhythm, and effects on instruments suggest deliberate design. Its passage may be a message, or an experiment, from a past or distant intelligence. The final images do not conclude the story, they open a new chapter. Perhaps the object was never just a comet. Perhaps it was the messenger, carrying patterns that point not outward alone, but back to us. The questions now are unavoidable. Did life on Earth originate with objects like Tria Atlas? Are we being observed or recorded by cycles of interstellar phenomena?